This video provides an overview of the exchange section, which is used to swap tokens in the Terra Classic network. Important: carrying out financial transactions and investing in any financial product or service carries risk, and all blockchain technology carries higher risks, both the risks of potentially higher gains but also higher losses, potentially even your whole investment, and is therefore considered high risk. Furthermore, decentralized finance means that your funds are always in your wallets and do not become loans as they do in a centralized exchange. So with control of your own funds comes a responsibility to understand and manage any risks. For more information on risks, compliance, security, and features, I recommend you to refer to the official guide by pressing the Docs button. Let's get started. On the left you can see a chart of a token. By default, the chart of Terra token is displayed with the daily time frame. You can change the time frame by selecting the time periods at the bottom of the chart. The available time periods are daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. The token displayed is the active chart for either of the tokens in a token pair. In this case, the token pair is Terra and LUNC. By clicking on the little switch arrows at the top, you can change the chart and display the non-active chart for the other side of the token pair. In this case, the chart for Terra is replaced by the chart for LUNC, and LUNC becomes the active chart. If you want to change and view other chart pairs, you need to move to the section on the right, where you can simply change the token pairs and the chart will automatically update to the selected pair. Now let's see how to swap. To enable the swap feature, Terraport has to connect to a wallet. This is because when using a DEX, the tokens that form part of the swap always sit in your wallet, keeping you in control. Therefore, to enable the swap feature, Terraport needs to be informed of a wallet it is to interact with. Because you are in control, you have to do the connecting. Terraport works with Station Wallet, sometimes called Terra Station. To connect your Terra Station wallet to the DEX so that they can interact, you need either the Terra Station extension installed in the browser if you operate on PC, or the Terra Station mobile app installed on your smartphone if you operate on mobile. If you do not already have Terra Station extension or mobile app installed, do a Google search by typing in the search criteria, install Terra Station. In the results, select Classic Docs, Terra, Money, and then follow the easy-to-read guide. Back to Terraport. By clicking on Connect Wallet at the top, a pop-up appears. If you are operating on PC, choose the first option, labeled Station Extension. Otherwise, select Terra Station Mobile if you are operating on the mobile version. Terraport will connect to the live wallet that is selected in the Station extension or app. To change wallets, simply swap between wallets and Station, and Terraport will automatically update the wallet you want Terraport to interact with. Once connected, your wallet address will appear at the top. If it does not appear right away, try refreshing the page by pressing F5. OK, back to the swap process. Let's suppose you want to exchange LUNC with Terra. Simply select the pair, with LUNC at the top and Terra at the bottom. Then enter the amount of LUNC you want to swap. By selecting other tokens, you can control the tokens in the swap pair. In the top drop-down list, you can see all the tokens that can be swapped in the top part of the pair, and when you select the bottom drop-down list, you can see the tokens that the top selection can be paired with. Tip: pressing the small switch arrows interchanges the pairs, facilitating a vice versa swap. Once you have entered the amounts you wish to exchange, you need to confirm the order. This is done in two stages. Firstly, confirm the transaction by clicking on Confirm Order. And secondly, you have to confirm the operation by entering your wallet password, or by confirming the operation with Ledger, if you are using that device. Important: if there are many trades going on when you are making a transaction, there is a chance that the swap may fail. This is due to the difference in price between the moment you enter the order and the moment in which the transaction is actually executed. This is because the swap procedure is constantly working out the value of each token, and values change as a consequence of each swap. To avoid this becoming a problem, Simply click on the little wheel in the upper right corner and change the value of the slippage tolerance. The slippage tolerance defines the tolerance in prices that you are instructing Terraport to apply to cover the price difference that may occur before the trade is confirmed. If all goes well, a message will appear at the end of the swap to notify you of the success of the transaction. At this point, you will find your tokens in your Terra Station wallet. Important: to view your Terra in the wallet, you need to add the contract to the list of visible tokens in your wallet. To do this, simply open the extension, click on Manage List, search for the Terra token, and add it. For security, once you have completed your transactions and finished exploring Terraport, by clicking on the address of your wallet, you can disconnect your wallet from the DEX. If you have reached the end of this video, thank you for your time. If you would like further assistance or have ideas for additional content and improving the platform, please make your voice heard in our media channels. If you wish to support us, please like this video and follow our media channels such as X, formerly known as Twitter. Once again, thank you.